Hello there, friends. Welcome to snack verse number 6. And today's snack verse comes from France. So let's see what we have from France. Monster Munch ketchup. Poulet braisé. It's like chicken chips. Do well for chips, don't we? What are these? Sort of bar of some sort. Nuts. Nestle nuts. Just a nut bar, like peanuts. Le Petit Forest. That feels like it's some sort of cake in there. 4F, Frittelle. Oh, bacon flavoured. Another snack bar, Napolitan. Feels rather soft. Oh, we've got a drink. Tropico, looks like orange. Natural. Put that in the fridge. Sunday, S-U-N-D-Y, Sunday. Some sort of snack bar, Sunday. Original. Interesting. Charmy. Some sort of it's rather interesting. More crisps. Chirip, more crisps. Savio. Savoury crisps. Doing well on crisps, aren't we? Mini Flex Fizz. They look like soft, chewy things. I like soft, chewy. Sometimes if they're slightly sour. Interesting. Tagada. Oh, red. They're probably Haribo. Yes. Red things. They look like, not good for your teeth. What's this? Gavotti. Looks like some sort of bars. Gavotti. Petit melon. Petit chocolate. St. Michael. What's this? La Lady Dior. There's some sort of wafer. Haribo original. Soft chewy. I don't know what that is. It doesn't say what that is. Looks like it's hard and chewy. Another one. What's that? Harlequins. Looks interesting. Sushi. That's rather interesting. Don't know what it is. Oh, another chewy. Something else. We've got cola flavoured, whatever that is. Lots of these small little chewy things. Another thing I can't pronounce, but it's rather interesting. And oh, another one of those. Looks like a hard wafer of chocolate. and another Haribo, and one of these jellies, Dragibus. What are those soft chewy things? This. Yes. I don't know what that is. Tea Tats Brulelle. Ooh, a candy bar. And I'm just going to do something. Right, what have we got? Ultimate box, no. I got the premium box. So what have we got? The Muncher ketchup, one of the France's most iconic crisps. Okay. There's the last one. Classic French treats consist of soft sponge-like cookies filled with sweet yet tangy orange marmalade and lightly dusted with powdered sugar. Gabiotti crepe, light, crispy and buttery French biscuits. The Tagata is soft and chewy, coated in crispy sugar with a burst of sweet strawberry flavour. I know someone who doesn't like strawberries, but I do. Yeah. So that's a little booklet that you get when you get the trick, and then it tells you about France, the culinary classics, what you get in the mini box, the premium box, and the ultimate box, and also a bit about the treats we have. Now I'm going to open one of these. I've got the stroke that I'll try later. Okay, well I'll put these back in here, and I'll try one of these to see. Not going to have them all at once. The idea is to save them for the next few days. It's a monthly paper. So this, it's March, it's April now. So this would have been the March's edition, and then the April I'll get in May. So, put all these back in here. Right, let's try these. Let's try this one. So I'm going to try, this one looks like it's a cherry. Let's open it. Might as well try while I'm, oh yes, it is a cakey sort of thingy. Yeah, these, I've had these, something similar in previous, in the cherry one was really nice. It was like a shortbread biscuit with a cherry filling. There you go. That's what that one looks like. It's like a sponge cake. Strawberry. Anyway, thank you all for watching.